In this video I'll be reviewing Tillmans Tranquils. If you would like to shop Tillmans Tranquils products for the cheapest possible prices, click the link in the video description. Tillmans Tranquils is a one-of-a-kind CBD brand that focuses on CBD mints rather than CBD oils. CBD flower, gummies, and a line of Delta 8 items are among the other products sold by the company. Tillmans hemp is sourced from local farmers in the United States, and the company is known for producing high-quality products. Tillmans Tranquils, a line of peppermint-flavored isolate CBD mints, was introduced in January 2019. They switched the mints to a full-spectrum extract a few months later. Over the next 2 years, the company expanded its product line to include a variety of new items. Tillmans Tranquils now offers smokable flower and pre-rolls, as well as CBD hemp flower, cinnamon-flavored CBD mints, CBD gummies, CBG gummies, and a line of Delta 8 products. The company is enthusiastic about the hemp plant and promotes the use of natural remedies rather than prescription medications to treat a variety of ailments. Mints are the company's specialty product. They do, however, offer a wide range of other products. Tillmans, based in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, claims to have created the best-tasting CBD mints on the market using only all-natural ingredients. The website makes no mention of who founded the company. However, according to LinkedIn, Jason Breitstein is the man behind Tillmans Tranquils Hemp Company. Jason describes himself on LinkedIn as a former rock star who now works in internet marketing. Unfortunately, there isn't much information available on how he came to launch Tillmans. Mints are the company's specialty product, CBD and D. However, as previously stated, they also provide a wide range of other products. As part of our Tillmans Tranquils hemp review, we tested the entire line. Tillmans Tranquils hemp source and production process. Tillmans only sources hemp from registered local farmers in the United States who follow state and federal laws. To meet stringent quality control standards, all products are manufactured in an FDA-registered facility. Furthermore, the company is GMP certified, which means that products are manufactured and controlled in accordance with quality standards on a consistent basis. It's also worth noting that the company manufactures both isolate and full-spectrum hemp products to ensure that everyone is catered to. Finally, Tillmans submits all of its products to an independent laboratory for purity, potency, and safety testing. These lab reports, which can be found on the company's website, clearly state the cannabinoid content. However, while browsing the lab report section, we discovered that there are currently no reports for the CBD gummies or CBG gummies, which is a little concerning. Tillmans Tranquils is a one-of-a-kind hemp company that focuses on CBD mints rather than CBD oil, which is the mainstay of most other brands on the market. In fact, Tillmans doesn't even sell CBD oil, which is a breath of fresh air. Here's what to expect when you go shopping. Tranquils CBD Mints by Tillmans. Tillmans CBD mints are available in 2 different flavors, peppermint and cinnamon. They are allegedly made with all-natural ingredients, though there is no ingredients list on the website. They're also non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and free of high-fructose corn syrup. The inner core of the mint is created using a cold mixing process by the company. Heat is not used because it reduces the potency and shelf life of the CBD. Each mint contains 10 milligrams of CBD, and each pack contains 10 mints, for a total potency of 100 milligrams. A single pack of mints costs $8.99, but you can save money by purchasing combo packs, mint and cinnamon varieties. CBD flower Tillmans Tranquils. CBD flower comes in a variety of strains and can be ordered by weight, 3.5 grams, 7 grams, 14 grams, or 28 grams. The hemp flower is grown and harvested entirely in the United States. Blueberry Gelato, Bubba Kush, and CBG Flower Biscotti are among the strains available. There is also a selection of 1-gram pre-rolls that are ready to smoke. They have a strong hemp flavor and are available in the 5 flavors listed below. Casino Cookies, Honolulu Haze, Micropine Haze, Sour Space, and Sunshine Haze are some of the flavors available. Trimmed and ground CBD hemp flower is placed in a pre-rolled hemp paper joint, raw cone. Unfortunately, we were unable to locate any information on the amount of CBD contained in each pre-roll. CBD Gummies by Tillmans Tranquils. Tillmans CBD Gummies come in two flavors, daytime and evening. Both have potency options of 25 mg and 50 mg. The nighttime gummies differ from the daytime gummies in that they include melatonin, a natural sleep aid. All three alternatives come in a bottle with 30 gummies, each having a total CBD potency of 750 mg or 1,500 mg. They're all prepared with natural and organic ingredients and have a mixed fruit flavor. CBG Gummies from Tillmans Tranquils. The only CBG goods in the brand's lineup are CBG Gummies. They're classified under the CBD candy category for some reason. Each gummy has 25 mg of CBG for a total strength of 750 mg. They come in a bottle of 30 gummies. Pectin is used in their formulation, and they are vegan-friendly. Delta-8 THC Tillmans Tranquils. Mints, gummies, candy drops, pre-rolls, and flour are all part of the Delta-8 THC spectrum. The mints are a best-seller, and they come in two flavors, strawberry and watermelon, in addition to the CBD mints. There's also a peppermint and cinnamon flavor, similar to the CBD mints. They likewise come in a pack of 10 and each mint has 10 mg of Delta-8. The gummies are twice as powerful as the mints and candy drops, making them a better choice for individuals seeking a more potent experience. The butterscotch and lemon lime flavors of the candy drops are identical to the mints. In addition, each sweet contains 10 mg of Delta-8. The gummies come in a 30-count bottle with a fruity flavor. Each gummy contains 20 mg Delta-8, making them twice as effective as the mints and candy drops, making them a better choice for people seeking a more powerful experience. Purple Punch, Indica, Watermelon Skittles, Hybrid, and Tropicana cookies are the three strains available in pre-rolled hemp joints, sativa. Each puff contains 1 gram of hemp and 100 mg of Delta-8. What else should you know about Tillmans Tranquils Hemp Co.? Tillmans Tranquils focuses on creating goods that are both enjoyable and convenient to use. Mints, sugar drops, and gummies are all discreet confectionery options. You can eat them whenever and wherever you want, and no one will know you're eating something made from hemp. Furthermore, because each candy contains a pre-measured amount of cannabinoids, there is no need for you to calculate the dosage yourself. According to the Tillmans website, same-day shipping is available Monday through Friday. As a result, you can anticipate receiving your order within 24 hours of submitting it, during normal business hours. However, we were unable to locate much information on this policy. As a result, it's unclear if this applies to all orders or just a subset of them. Tillmans Tranquils began with merely CBD mints, but quickly expanded its product line to include a variety of different cannabis profiles and goods. It's a hemp-derived health business that also sells CBG and Delta-8 THC-based goods in addition to CBD. We like how Tillmans Tranquils has set itself apart from the competition by focusing on a few select items for various cannabinoids, rather than specializing in a particular cannabinoid, such as CBD. There are a few small flaws, such as missing lab results and a lack of corporate information. However, this appears to be a reliable firm with a good assortment of high-quality hemp items for the most part. If you'd like to learn more or place an order, go to the website. It appears to be a fairly simple online buying experience, and orders over $100 qualify for free shipping. If you would like to shop Tillmans Tranquils products for the cheapest possible prices, click the link in the video description.